Hello everyone, welcome back to Kirklees Guitar School. Today we're going to have a look at the riff for Shakin' All Over by Johnny Kidd and the Pirates. It's a really good foray and a first steps into that surf guitar style, and it's also an excellent minor pentatonic and alternate picking exercise, so it's well worth your time. So at time of recording, we're in December 2024. I'm running a competition called the 12 Days of Riffmas. This is the 11th instalment of that. If you want to know some more information about that, you can win a free lesson with me if you want to take part in the competition. Have a look in the description and it's all down there for you to check out. Finally, if you'd like the tabs for this lesson, you'd like to download them and print them out, head to the first link in the description and that will take you to our private Facebook group. Join the group and then navigate to the Files tab. Every lesson I've ever done on YouTube, there's an accompanying tab for it and it's all there for you to for you to download. No obligation, don't want anything from you, but that's the best place to catch that. And also if you've got a question, that's the best place to get hold of me because I'm in that group most days. Right, let's get into this. So there's two parts I want to talk about. It's a 4-bar phrase. The first 2 bars are different. The second, third and fourth bars are all the same. So we're going to start with that lick that starts this off, which is a walk down the minor pentatonic scale. If you've ever done the open, you've ever done that scale, it's that scale but backwards. So what I'm going to do with my ring finger, you can either use your ring finger or your middle finger. I'll be guilty of using both sometimes. What we can do is I want you to pick that 3rd fret with a downstroke and then I'd like you to pull off for me. Now these 2 notes are semiquavers and every other note in this lick is a quaver. So what that means is a semiquaver is twice as fast. So the first 2 notes in this piece are twice as fast as all the others, okay? So you've got a quick little flick. Then I'm going to go to the B string. I'm going to go 3rd fret, open string with a down and an up stroke, up to the G, 2nd fret, open, upper string again to the D string, 2nd fret, open. So you've got 3, 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0. But remember, those first 2 are a little bit faster. You can watch my picking. Down and up picking. It doesn't matter which ones are downs and which ones are ups, as long as it's kind of mostly alternate. Okay, the alternate picking police aren't going to come and get you if you put 2 downstrokes in a row, but I don't want everything to be done with the downstrokes. It's bad habits is that we're trying to get out of. So pause the video if you want to. That's the first of the 2 licks. Then as we move into the 2nd bar, this is the bit that everybody remembers. Now depending on where you are in the song dictates whether it's palm muted or not. Sometimes I'll palm mute it, sometimes I won't. It's up to you guys, whatever you want to do. I just want to give you a little bit of something to pick on and potentially some ideas for some new repertoire for you to look at over the Christmas break. So we've got 2 open low E strings with a down and an up stroke. I'm then going to move all the way down to what we call the octave. So I'm working through the whole scale until I get to another E. I've just played a low E and I'm going to play another E here, which is on the 2nd fret of the D string. And I'm going to play 2 of those dudes with a down and up stroke as well. So I've got E, 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 E. You know how they sound the same, but one's a little bit higher. I know that's oxymoronic, but if you know what I'm talking about, that'll make sense. I'm then going to let go, open D string twice, and then I'm going to come up to the 2nd fret of the A string. That's a B note, and I'm going to pick that dude twice as well. And we're just going to cycle through. So it's 4 notes in total, but we play each one twice. So it's an 8-note phrase. Pause the video and have a go at that. If you are reasonably confident, let's stitch the 2 together. See how it's a great picking exercise? It sounds like I need to practice that a little bit as well. Right, so if I go to the full, this is what's on the full PDF that you can download from the Facebook group. So you'll see we've got the first lick, followed by the 2nd lick, and then the 2nd lick is repeated another 2 times. And the idea is this is just a nice little 4-bar phrase that you can just go round and round and round, and it's a good alternate picking exercise. Pause the video and take a screenshot or head over to the Facebook group. For tones, I'm using the Jazzmaster on the middle pickup and the Princeton Reverb set very, very clean, but it's got plenty of reverb and it has that sort of it's got that sort of surfy kind of California 60s sort of sound. So if you want the free tabs for it, head to the first link in the description, or if you want to take part in, if you're in time for it and we're not way in the future, if you want to take part in Riffmas 2024, please do. We're having some fun in the Facebook group and there's a lot of people getting involved and it'd be great if you could as well. I will see you in 2 days' time for the last and final instalment, the 12th and final instalment of Riffmas, and I've saved a really good one for the end, so you don't want to miss it. See you soon, guys. Thank you so much.